Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to take you guys with me to go couponing. Now this week is Target Circle week, so there's a lot of coupons, and plus you can get a lot of rebates over on Ibotta. You can get some bonuses over on Fetch. So I'm going to go ahead and do that little shopping. I'm going to go shopping for household and personal care, so it's like a household and personal care shopping. I'm going to go ahead and pick up a little knickknacks that I need around the house, like some ice creams and stuff that the girls want. But this video is basically me couponing for personal care and household items this week. So I'm gonna go ahead coupon for those, and I want to bring you guys with me, so let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We just got back from off the road. I went to Target to do some couponing. If you don't know, this week is Target Circle week, so there's a lot of deals and steals. You should go ahead and check those out because there's deals on Target and there's also deals over on Ibotta and Fetch. So I did went ahead and pick up some household products along with some personal care, but yes. So first I got two of the all laundry detergent, and this one is the Spring Breeze. I got one Persil clean, so I got the Persil Everyday Clean. I got 2 earwigs, and this is the lavender and chamomile, and this is the 5-pack. There was a deal on this over in Ibotta. I went ahead and picked up 2 of the essential ear mist, and this is the lavender flavor. Also, I love me some lavender. They smell so good. I went ahead and picked up 2 soft scrubs, and these also had deals on Ibotta. And I went in and got 2 glades. So everything that I purchased, there were coupons on Target, on the Target Circle app, and there was also coupons over on Ibotta, like rebates on Ibotta. So that's why I purchased these. And with Target Circle, you spend $50 on household products, and you get a $15 gift card back, and for $15 gift card. So imagine spending $50 on household products and then getting $15 back plus other coupons that stacks on that. So I'm going to show you all the personal care stuff that I picked up. So this is the bag with the personal care stuff that I picked up. So I went ahead, I did 2 transactions for the personal care and 2 transactions for the household products. So these are everything that I got for household. I went ahead and picked up this Dove, and this is the Dove body wash. This is a coconut milk, sugar, and lychee. So this is it. This is from the milk collection. I got this Dove anti-dandruff conditioner. I'm gonna try that one out. I got me a next Dove for sensitive skin, and this is their body wash. I got some Dove bar soap. This is the 4-pack. This is the moisturizing cream, and this one is sensitive also. I picked up one of the Native body wash. I'm gonna go ahead and try this one out. This is the coconut, the cocoa butter and vanilla. The vanilla is not too strong in it, so yeah. I went ahead and I got an next Dove, and this is the Melanin Even Tone body wash. So this is it. I went ahead and got me 2 of the Shea Better body lotions, and I got the coconut waters and the vanilla cashmere. This one is my all-time favorite, the vanilla cashmere. I went ahead and picked up one of the body wash. I should have went with the vanilla cashmere, but they did not have any in store, so I went ahead and picked this one, which is a pink champagne. I've never tried their body wash before, so I'm excited to try this one. I went ahead and got the coconut milk. This is the OGX conditioner. I got the coconut milk one, and I also got a shea butter hair mask. So the Shea Moisture ear treatment. Yes, so this is the ear treatment. This is the Jamaican black castor oil, so it strengthens and restore. So it's a treatment mask. I'm gonna use that the next time I do my hair. And last but not least, no, this is not the last one. I got this Degree deodorant, and this is the Sexy Intrigue. This is it. And I went ahead and got a shea butter. Give me a minute. This is it. I got this, and this is a Shea Moisture Even Tone deodorant. This is my second time getting one of these. I love them. And last but not least, I got this. This is a Vaseline. This is cocoa butter healing jelly, dermatologist tested. I'm gonna use this for the baby. And that is it, y'all. This is all that I got from my couponing today. I got let me see, I got 50, 80. I got over $100 back in gift cards, Target gift cards, plus what I got back from Ibotta and Fetch. So I think I get like 120 something back. Yeah, so that was a good deal. So here you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.